What's up, friends? Thank you for tuning in. Last time we got together, talked about getting an adventure bike and going on roads unseen and this type of thing. But before we go buying a new bike, we're going to sketch a few bikes. And today we're going to start with looking at the Harley-Davidson, believe it or not, adventure bike. It's a whole new segment for Harley-Davidson, and they've come in with something that looks pretty cool. So let's get acquainted with that. But first, let's get some caffeine. I'll see you in a second. Pencil? Check. Sharpener? Check. Matcha latte? Check. Let's do this. So the Adventure, it's actually called the Pan-America, or Pan-America rather. So we are going to start with the ground line, as we usually do here.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping your text now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, this feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping your text now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, this feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Alright, so I could continue to noodle on this for a long time and do an overlay and just tighten everything up, correct a couple of proportions. Some of the spacing between the front wheel and the main body is a little too compressed. The ellipses could be tightened up in this type of thing. But generally I think that we got the essence. We captured the gesture of the Pan-America. I'll probably throw this into Photoshop and just clean it up, give it a light dusting of value. And really though, I'm a fan of this design after spending some time with it and sketching it. I really like this kind of tri-panel treatment of the windshield up front. I think it's kind of a cool look. This is a really ownable front fascia for Harley-Davidson. It's quite unique in this space. And I really like the honesty of material use and kind of highlighting that material use, especially as seen through this crash bar and the material, really highlighting this trellis framework for the subframe. And it kind of tucks in under the main frame nicely and in a unique way. So a lot of really nice details. I love the motor, right? It's got these two scowling faces at the top where these cams are on the twin and the V-twin. Really nice attention to detail. It feels quite contemporary. It might be similar tech to what they have on previous models, but it looks really fresh. So I'm excited to see this bike in person. Hopefully next year, we'll see. And so from here, maybe we'll do another sketch of like a BMW GS 1200 or the Honda African Twin, just to get a sense for what else is in this adventure space, and kind of look at those and break down the details and the design, and get a sense for what we like, what we don't like. If you have any questions about my process, definitely leave a comment. Happy to answer. And yeah, if you have any details that you know about this bike that you love to add, definitely leave a comment. Leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend, all of this good stuff. And I'm going to jump into Photoshop, and I'll see you soon.